how to add or remove sleep apps on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on device care. So after click on device care, click on battery. So after click on battery, click on background usage limits. So after click on background usage limits, so click on sleeping apps. So after click on sleeping apps, so if you want to add sleeping apps, so click on this plus icon. So after click on this plus icon, so you will see apps is here. So if you want to add sleeping apps, so select apps from here. After select app, click on add. So after click on add, you will see apps is add on sleeping apps. So if you want to remove apps on sleeping apps, so click on this three dot icon. So after click on this three dot icon, click on settings. Now in setting and click on remove, and after click on remove, so you will see select app from here. So after select remove app, click on remove. So you will see apps is removed. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can add or remove sleep apps on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.